Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to look at reading diagonal and trading diagonal of a matrix. We're going to look at leading diagonal and trading diagonal of a matrix. So I'm going to define what a leading diagonal is, as well as what a trading diagonal is. On top of that, I'm going to show you how you can identify elements that makes a leading diagonal and a trading diagonal. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also invite your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, remember to like it and also share with your friends. Okay, let's get into this lesson. Okay, so first I'm going to define what a leading diagonal is. So we are saying a leading diagonal runs from the top left corner to the bottom right corner of a matrix. A leading diagonal runs from the top left corner to the bottom right corner of a matrix. So that is a leading diagonal. Okay, so what is a trading diagonal? So a trading diagonal runs from the bottom left corner to the top right corner of a matrix. Okay, so a trading diagonal runs from the bottom left corner to the top right corner of a matrix. Okay, so these are the definitions of reading and trading diagonal. Now, let's use these definitions into identifying elements that forms reading and trading diagonals. Okay, so now let's identify reading and trading diagonal in the given matrices. So this is the first matrix we have. That is the first matrix. So this is the matrix. Now let's start by identifying the reading diagonal. So as you can see where I've drawn a line with an orange ink, that is the line of reading diagonal. Okay, so that is how we identify the leading diagonal. And in this matrix, the leading diagonal is formed by 2 and 9. So elements that makes up reading diagonal are 2 and 9. 2 and 9, they form a leading diagonal in this matrix. Okay, let's identify the trading diagonal. So elements that forms a trading diagonal in this matrix are 1 and 6. Remember, a trading diagonal runs from the bottom left to the top right corner of a matrix. So what we are saying here, we are saying that from 1 to 6, that is a trading diagonal. So the numbers that forms, or the elements that forms trading diagonal in this matrix are 1 and 6. Okay, these are the ones that forms trading diagonal. Okay, let's go to example 3. Okay, so that is example 3. I want you viewers to pause this video and identify the trading and reading diagonal in this matrix. Using the definition and the demonstration I have made in the first question, I want you viewers to pause this video and find the elements that forms reading and trading diagonal. Okay, so how take it that you pause the video and you identified the elements that forms reading and trading diagonals. So let's get into finding them together. Okay, so we are going to start with reading, and then later on we find trading diagonal, elements that forms trading diagonal. Okay, so elements that forms reading diagonal are, so reading diagonal in this matrix is this one, the one I've marked with an orange ink there. That is those elements which are marked by an orange ink, that is a reading diagonal. So elements that forms reading diagonal are A, M, and S. They form reading diagonal. Then what are the elements that forms trading diagonal? The elements that forms trading diagonal are those which are I, M, and T. They form trading diagonal. So basically, these are trading and diagonal of these given matrices. So basically, this is how you can identify reading and trading diagonals in a given matrix. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like it and also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.